And here he comes. Down the road. Very nice.
Ready? I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Oh my Lord.
Very nice. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy to my immediate left is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, say some things to the people.
I have some things to say to the people. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above this car. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down, call us about this Challenger, the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time, and also like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help me, help Chris, help me, help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool videos like this. Also, if you want to see full photo sets of all of our cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can see everything there, including specs and pricing. But for now, Chris is going to tell you about the things that are done to this car.
Ooh, there's a lot of things. So it's a 2010 Dodge Challenger. It's got a 5.7 Hemi, and it's also Procharged. Ooh, Prochargers are cool. This is done really nice. He's got some great beef pictures of all the interiors and the like. This also has an automatic leather. It's got a sunroof, which is cool. A bunch of extra gauges you'll also see when we're driving it as well. The great white back gauges, automatic. It's kind of a aftermarket little automatic stick thingy.
Yeah, they changed the
Mopar.
shifter. It's the same automatic transmission, but
There you go. It's a nice little car. It's purple. It's in violet or plum crazy. You name it.
yeah,
But I love the fact it's got sunroof. It's got only 12,000 miles.
12,688, I think, or 668.
That's not that many miles.
And it's Procharged.
And it's a Procharged.
We don't know the horsepower
so
number, but it's going to be a lot.
it's going to be fun is what it's going to be. And
Yeah.
it's beautiful and purple, and it's got the cool filler.
It's also got a
everything.
little bit of exhaust work done,
Oh,
so it's going to be a little bit louder than stock. Not super loud, but
would you call it rowdy?
it's got the stripe package on it with the RT stripes and everything.
RT.
Of course, it's purple, which is amazing.
Best.
And big chrome wheels. And
I
I'm
love the
excited
great chrome wheels.
to drive it. You want to start it up?
You ready?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
You can definitely hear the whoosh from the
Can you?
front when you rev it.
Nice.
The Procharge. And we have real seatbelts
Yes, we do. And it's
with
cushiony.
little seatbelt cushion things.
Oh, you are kidding. You are not kidding. There's a lot of gauges.
Yeah, let me take a look at these gauges real quick. You got all these over here. You got boost pressure, you got air fuel ratio and trans temp at the top. And then you have oil pressure and oil temp up here. And they're all lit up, all neon, whatever, LED. And then you have your infotainment screen here in the middle, AC controls down here, which is blasting right now. Heated seats.
Heated seats.
Down at the bottom, a cigarette lighter in case you want to take up smoking. You don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. Here's that new shifter. It's chrome.
Ooh.
And then you got a couple holders back here for storage. And a sunroof.
Oh, isn't that nice?
I'm going to keep it closed because it's shady and it's hot out.
It is a little warm today. Warmer than yesterday.
You also have programmable garage door buttons right up there.
You love the programmable.
I do like the program. It might help if you open the vents, Chris.
Mine's open. I don't know about you. I feel great.
That's much better.
Oh,
I'm like, why am I not feeling any air? Maybe because the vents were closed because I was taking pictures.
he was taking pictures of closed vents.
Yeah, we do got white gauges.
We do.
Very cool. Very Mopar thing. And a glove box down here with some verbiage.
Telescopic steering that moves.
I didn't see it move. Nobody did.
Watch this.
Oh, look at that. Oh, wow.
Neato.
Fancy.
I know. It's a pretty fancy car.
Fun and fancy free.
The Grape 8.
And we got a big purple hood.
Huge purple hood. but it's a big car.
It is a very big car.
Ooh, 12,000 miles. Good gravy. It's never been driven.
You can hear it too.
Oh, it's rowdy.
You're taking it easy right now, but I can
Well,
already tell.
You know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, we do have construction up here, so we got to take it a little slow through this first bit of our drive. But that's okay.
You always gotta watch out for flag guys.
Real back seats
Oh yes.
for real people.
It's a Dodge Challenger.
It's a two-door, but you can fit full-sized people back there.
At least 4 of them.
Yeah, it's a big car. It's not a small car.
No.
Oh, that sounds so good.
It does sound great, and it's a nice little mover. It's push button start, which is cool.
Yeah, you got the key right there in your hand.
Yes, I do.
There's the push button.
Right there.
Very nice. It's comfy.
It's very comfy. It's very quiet, too.
Dodge interiors are so comfortable, and yeah, the wind noise is at a bare minimum.
I've really fallen in love with all Dodge interiors. I'm honest to God, I'm shocked that I've ever would say that. But God, look out! They're just so nice, laid out perfectly.
And this is the early Dodge interiors before they got updated in like 2013 or 14, whenever they started doing that.
2010 this is the
But
beginning.
it's still good. Yeah, this is the very beginning.
I do. This is a nice car. It drives real nice. Gosh, it's
The
quiet.
dash is nice, no cracks or nothing, and it's about 4 feet long.
At least.
The windshield is so far ahead of me, and then the hood is another 27 feet in front of that, so a lot of area.
This might be a little bit exaggerated numbers, but you know.
Just a little bit. But it's a very long and wide car.
Nice. See, does the horn work?
Of course it does. It's a 2010.
It should.
You also have buttons on the steering wheel.
Oh yes,
You can
I
do stuff with.
Volume, and I can go home right here. Just press this and you're home.
Look at that.
I don't know what that means.
I don't know what that means either. Here's our radio.
With Wheeldog merchandise.
Oh, it works. AM, FM, and you have satellite radio. Oh, it's a touchscreen.
Oh,
Look at
good
that.
gravy. This is at the
Aux cord. You can plug in a
cutting edge
USB.
evolution with this bad boy. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, an aux cord, so you can plug in your iPod
You
telephone.
can plug a USB in too. For navigation, I'm assuming, and other stuff. Oh, we have navigation.
Oh no!
Look at that.
What point of interest would you like to go to?
I don't know, what kind of points of interest are there? Is Fastlane on there, you think?
Should be.
We'll find out. We can't type while the vehicle's in motion. We have to be in park. That's dumb.
That's just a scary thing. Uh-oh. We're at, you know where we're at. Oh, I'm very excited about this. I want to hear it. Oh, I love the creature comforts.
All right, here's the stop sign. Time to do a bit of a bean test. Oh my Lord. Yep, it's not a stock Hemi.
She's got beans.
She's got beans.
She's got beans.
That was only 35 miles an hour.
I know, we got there in such a hurry.
And not 70. We always do the speed limit here, that's a guarantee. Gosh, oh look. I looked up all the car dealerships in our area.
And we found them.
I wonder when that's been updated.
Royal Oaks hasn't been around for some time. And Royal Oaks Jeep, definitely not around. Suntrup Buick might still be there,
Yeah,
but not those
it's
two.
funny though. You still got it all in here. Look at that. All right.
Oh, hotels, look at that.
Yeah, we're at a flyby spot now.
We sure are.
Ready
Didn't
to
even know we got here so quickly.
You ready to do some flybys?
Oh, I am ready.
Alrighty.
Ready as I've ever been.
Nice. Let's do it.
86 degrees. And he's going on the street, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, sequential brakes, nice. And here he comes. Down the road. Very nice. Here he comes. Blinker's still on. Now it's off.
Oh, hello.
Well, birthday boy, what'd you think?
Was
And
it-
yes, people, it is his birthday.
It is my birthday. Was it fast?
I can barely keep up with you. It's a big purple blur.
It's
I
a
love
giant purple people eater, as you might
God,
say.
it sounded good too, man. It
Yeah,
really did.
This is a cool car. I like this a lot.
I do too. I like the fact it's got a sunroof. I'm sorry, I don't see a lot of
And
those.
heated seats. Not that we're going to use them today, but
Very
in the winter,
comfortable.
that's very nice. I had a car
Yes.
with heated seats. It's well worth it.
comfortable.
You ready to go back?
I am.